Well, I picked up this Toro wheel horse this past summer, and I really hadn't done anything to it other than park it in the garage. And I started it several times through the summer without problem, but now this last time I did, I noticed that it didn't want to start, and after I jumped it, the battery indicator was glowing yellow, so I might have a problem with the charging circuit on this. So we'll just do a little diagnostics. So I've got a set of jumper cables across the battery brought up here to where I can monitor it with my meter. So the light load itself pulled the battery down just slightly. I'm guessing that I have a problem with my charging circuit. I believe I'm getting closer to understanding why my charging circuit isn't working. With my key switch on, in the run position, not start, I should have 12 volts here on my plus battery terminal of my voltage regulator, and I have nothing. And so when I go to my positive battery, you can see I have the 12 volts. There just seems to be a broken wire or fuse that's not allowing the battery voltage to this so that the voltage regulator can work. Because I really didn't take the time to pull the cover off and see what was wrong, I just tapped into that B plus or battery plus wire off the regulator, put an inline fuse holder in, and have a set of alligator clip that I can remove from the battery to prevent any accidental battery drains when the key is off. So again, just another Dave's workaround. Well, we'll see if I did it any good. I'd say it's working now. 14.5 volts. No idiot light.